To every man upon this stage, death comes sooner or later. And how can a man die better than facing the fearful odds for the ashes of his fathers and the temples of his gods? Very good morning and congratulations to every Republic Indian sitting here and feeling the importance of this day. Today, I will speak. I will speak independently because the right has been given to me by the Republic India. With a population of 1.3 billion, with more than 1600 languages, with 29 states, 4 religions, we are one united country. And I salute this country. I feel proud when I say I'm an Indian. But sometimes I feel, do every Indian feel the same as I do? Do I ever be able to make them feel like best? Will they change? And if not, I should not speak. I should not speak at all because they will never gonna change. But when I read the stories of heroes like Abdul Hamid, Sir APJ Abdul Kalam, Kalpana Chawla and Sachin Tendulkar, I feel this country has something. This country has something special and this country will change. This country will certainly change and become the best in the whole world. So today I will speak. I will speak for the nation, to the nation and by the choice of mine because I want to make you feel what we Indians are. एक हिंदुस्तानी कह गया, मिले सुर मेरा तुम्हारा तो सुर बने हमारा, और हमें एकजुट होना सिखा गया. एक इनकलाबी कह गया, चूमना पड़ता है फांसी के फंदों को, बातें बनाने से इनकलाब नहीं आता. एक आवाज कह गई, जो पहुंचना हो तारों के बीच तो सपना देखना पड़ता है तारों के बीच पहुंचने का, और हमें अंतरिक्ष में पहुंचना सिखा गई. एक साबरमती का संत भी था जो हमें बिना लड़े जीतना सिखा गया. सो मैं आपसे ये कहना चाहता हूं, हमने उस देश में जन्म लिया है जहां हजारों लोगों ने जन्म लिया है, जिन्होंने हमें महसूस कराया है that this country is best in the whole world. We can be the best, we are the best, and we have to make ourselves better in the coming times. My dear friends, we have proved ourselves in every field, right from the field of sports to the field of technology. Today we have Sundar Pichai, Satya Nadella, Arnab Goswami and Kalpana Chawla, who have proved themselves in every field, who genuinely want to change the scenario of the whole nation, who genuinely want to change the scenario of the whole culture. Sometimes I feel very great about this country. I feel very great when someone says me that I am an Indian. But I feel very bad when someone says that I am a guy from a state of India. I have a religion, I do have a caste. Because I feel our identity is not our caste, not our religion. Our identity is our nationality, it's Indian. I feel very bad when someone says, I am a Madrasi because I am black by color. I am a Kashmiri because I am very fair by color. My dear friends, I feel bad about it. And I feel there has to be a change. A change has to come. There should not be any liberal India. There should not be any conservative India. Today there should be only one Republic India. There should not be any black India. There should not be any white India. There should be only one India, the united India. Today we don't need Biharis, Madrasis, Bengalis. We only need Indians. And believe me, the day is not so far. We will come to that day. We will get the day because we are Indians and we know how to achieve our goals. My dear friends, the question is how the change will come. The question is very tough. But let me tell you, it's very easy. You have to change only one personality, that is you yourself. And I have to change only one personality, that is me myself. My dear friends, today it should matter to me when I see a child begging on the road, even if he is unknown to me. My dear friends, today I should help a person who is lying unconscious on the road after accident, even if he is not a brother of mine. My dear friends, today it should matter to me when I see an old man starving on the footpath, even if he is not the grandparent of mine. My dear friends, today there is a need. Today I have to be my brother's keeper, I have to be my sister's keeper, I have to be the keeper and the caretaker of this nation. I have to be the caretaker of the culture of this nation. And believe me, when this feeling will come into us, we will be the best in the whole world. We will achieve everything that we want to achieve. My dear friends, I would like to end up my speech by giving some mesmerizing poetic lines which will make you feel like awesome. The lines are, खूब लड़ी मर्दानी थी वो झांसी वाली रानी थी, हमने भी बुंदेले हर बोलों के मुंह सुनी कहानी थी. जिस दिन सुभाष ने बर्मा में मांगी उनसे कुर्बानी थी, हो गई सभा में उथल पुथल सीने में दिल न समाते थे, स्वर इनकलाब के नारों के कोसों तक गाए जाते थे. उस दिन तारों ने सही सही खून की कीमत पहचानी थी, जिस दिन सुभाष ने बर्मा में मांगी उनसे कुर्बानी थी. वे बोले रक्त मुझे देना, बदले में चाहे भारत की आजादी तुम मुझसे लेना. मुसलमान और हिंदू हैं दो, मुसलमान और हिंदू हैं दो, एक मगर उनका प्याला, एक मगर उनका मदिरालय, एक मगर उनकी हाला. दोनों रहते एक न जब तक, दोनों रहते एक ना जब तक मंदिर मस्जिद में जाते, बैर बढ़ाते मंदिर मस्जिद, मेल कराती मधुशाला, मेल कराती मधुशाला। जय हिंद, जय सलाम।